Okay, I think we already calculate a manual calculation of MRR. So it's 12.11%. So this is the output. Okay, you can see that MRR is lower than IRR. This is because because MRR using reinvestment rate instead of IRR. Okay, how about if I change like not 10%? I use these numbers. You can see that IRR is 14.14%, and your manual calculation is 12.11%. How about if I change the reinvestment rate to become the same with MRR? With IRR. So you can see that it's exactly the same with your IRR. So I could say that IRR using IRR rate as the reinvestment rate. And this is the problem. Because once IRR is too high, for example, getting into, for example, 30% territory, then we need to use caution to interpret it. Okay. Alright, so you can see that modified internal rate of return using the reinvestment rate, which is normally we use a cost of capital instead of the calculated IRR. Okay, so you can see it's lower than IRR. Okay, I change that. If this is make the same with IRR, then your modified internal return exactly the same with your IRR. Okay, so that's the logic. Okay, and then this MRR of course can handle non-conventional or non-normal cash flow pattern. Okay, so we have analysis 1. This is for normal cash flow pattern, normal or conventional cash flow pattern. And then I will change this Control C. I will how about I put a different color here? It's a bit boring, I guess. And then like a 16, I guess. Copy down here, and then I change this is analysis for non-normal or non-conventional cash flow pattern. Okay, okay, I guess I will use the same example, but I will change the cash flow pattern. I will put here, I guess. Is that Control V? One doing Control C and then Control V. Okay, so I will use this the last year or the third year. I think how about I just copy from here. You can link it if you want. Just copy it, I think. Okay, so you got the okay. So I just change this like a minus. So the only difference is I will put in the red. So you can see that the main difference is only the third year cash flow. So you have two sign of change. So it's a minus, and then you have a plus, and then I just change it, copy, and then go. So you can see that the bold, and then I just put blue, and then in the mid. So you can see there's a two change of in the sign of the cash flow, plus minus to plus, and then plus to minus. So you're going to have a multiple, definitely you're going to have a multiple IRR. Multiple IRR. Okay, I will prove that. So if we use IRR, then we're going to have multiple IRR. Okay, just have to use insert function, you type IRR, it's already there, so not really difficult. Guess here, and then you just put 20%. So you got 26% minus, minus. Okay, I'll check that. I don't know. I think in another video already show you how to get another IRR. So this is the first. Guys, I have to just copy it here. So this is the first IRR, and then you got the second IRR. You just have to change the guess. Insert again IRR, then the value you put here, but the guess this time you put like 20%. Before it's 10%. Oh, it's 26%. I don't know what's, it's not working. How about like 5%? So it's 26%. Okay, I don't know, let me check the data table. Okay, we're going to have a data table. I will use this. That's 6. Okay, I put like I don't know, this is 26%. Put like a 40%, I think. And then I just plus with 1. This plus 1%. Then I just copy it down. I don't know, I want to see. It's very strange. And then I just put the formula here, and then it's 20%. Sorry, this should be NPV. I'm sorry for that. Have to check the NPV first. Okay, let me check the NPV. I put the NPV here. So okay, this is the output, so I have to change the output. Okay, so NPV. Okay, rate is 10%. Oh, so I have to put 10% here. The cost of capital, so it's the link cell, and then I have to put NPV rate 10%. My gosh, NPV 10%. You can put F4, and then you just link it here. So I have to start from G, and then plus the first year. Okay, so it's a minus 2, and then I just link it here. Okay. Alright, so this is the output, and then okay, and then I just block it, and then we just run the data table. Okay, the column is 10% here. Okay, no, it's not working. I have to check the formula first. Already automatic. Okay, I get back to you. I have to check first why it's not working.